everyone, in this video we'll talk about the types of traversal of BST or binary search tree. Let's start. So how many types of traversal we have? We have 4 types of traversal: pre-order, in-order, post-order and level order traversal. So in my previous videos I have already discussed about all of these traverse method. So if you don't know that how we can do pre-order, how we can do post-order, in-order, level order, you just click on the I button and go to this playlist. So in this video I'll only talk about that how we can implement this thing in binary search tree. So if you want to learn in more detail, you just go to my playlist and watch these videos. Now at first I'll start with the in-order traversal. So in order traversal, at first we visit the left, then root, then right. Now so this is the binary search tree. So you can see that 3 is less than 5, 2 is less than 3, 4 is greater than 3, and all the elements of the subtree is greater than the root node, that is 5. Now if we are trying to perform the in-order traversal for this tree, then what we have to do? At first we have to visit the leftmost node, then root, then right. So this is 5, right? Now at first we'll go for the left of 5. So then we'll go for the 3. Now 3 has an element or a node at its left. So this is a recursive process. We have to follow the same step for all the subtrees. Now at first what will print? So 2 has nothing in its left and in its right. So we'll simply print 2. At first we'll print 2. Now this node we have visited. Now what we'll do? We'll go for the root node. So the root node is 3. Now what will print? We'll print 3. Now we'll go for the right of 3. So what we have at the right of 3? That is 4. So we'll simply print 4. So this left subtree we have traversed successfully. Now we'll go for the root node. So this portion is done. Now we'll simply print 5. Now we'll go for the right subtree of 5. So now we'll come here. So this is the root node. Now we'll go for the left of the root node, that is 6. We'll simply print 6. 6 has nothing at its left and at its right. So we'll simply print 6. Then we'll print 7. Then we'll print 8. So this is the root node and this is the right node. So this is how we can perform the in-order traversal for binary search tree, and we use the same mechanism for printing any binary tree. So if you observe anything, that is, whatever value we have printed, all the values are in sorted manner: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So whenever we are performing the in-order traversal, whatever value we'll get, everything will be in a sorted manner. So this is how we can perform the in-order traversal for BST. Now we'll go for the pre-order traversal. So in pre-order traversal, at first we go for the root, then left, and at last right. So at first what will print? So if you know the answer, just pause this video and write in the comment section. So what will be the pre-order traversal? At first what will print? We'll go for the root node, right? We'll print 5. Then we'll go for the left subtree. So this is the left subtree. Now it's a recursive process in itself. So we'll go for the root node, that is 3. Now we'll go for the left. So it has nothing at its left and at its right. So we'll simply print 2. So at first we'll print the root node, then we'll check that do we have anything at its right. We don't have anything, it's also null. We'll print 2. Now we'll go for the right, that is 4. Now we'll print 4. So this subtree is done. So for this tree we have done with the root, then left. Now we go for the right. So these portions are done. Now we'll go for this subtree. So at first what we'll do, we'll print 7. Now we'll go for the left, 6. 6 has nothing at its right and left. Now at last we'll go for the 8. Root, left, right. So this is how we can perform the pre-order traversal for a binary search tree. So now we'll start with the post-order traversal. So in post-order traversal, at first we go for the left, then we go for the right, and at last we go for the root node. So at first we'll go for the left. So this is a root node, then we'll go for the left. So this is the left subtree. Now we'll perform the recursive function. Now we'll go for the left of 3, that is 2. We'll simply print 2. Now we'll go for the right of 3, that is 4. we have successfully printed 2 and 4. So left is done, right is done. Now we'll go for the root node. So that is 3. So we are done with the left subtree of 5. So left is done for 5. Now we'll go for the right subtree of 5. And we have to perform the same thing for 7. At first we'll go for the left of 7, that is 6. Then we'll go for the right of 7, that is 8. And at last we'll go for the root node, that is 7. So we are done with left subtree and right subtree of 5. So at last we'll print 5. So this is how we can perform the post order traversal for binary search tree. So let me tell you another thing, that how we can perform the level order traversal. So in a level order traversal, we have to print anything in a level by level. So at first what do we have? We have 5. So at first we'll print 5, then we'll go here, we'll print 3, then 7, then we'll go here, then we'll print 2, 4, 6 and 8. So what will be the output? If you know the output, just pause this video and write in the comment section. So the output will be 5, 3, 7, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So it will be the output for the level order traversal. So I think this portion is clear, that how we can perform the traverse functions in a binary search tree. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment section. See you in the next video.